The Jagannath temple kitchen in Puri is one of the most remarkable temple kitchens in the world. It is not just a place where food is cooked, but a sacred space where centuries-old tradition, devotion, and discipline come together every single day. The food prepared here is called Mahaprasad, and it is offered first to Lord Jagannath before being shared among devotees. For many people, receiving this food is considered a blessing in itself. What the Jagannath temple kitchen in Puri is one of the most remarkable temple kitchens in the world. It is not just a place where food is cooked, but a sacred space where centuries-old tradition, devotion, and discipline come together every single day. They are simple, but they are prepared with deep devotion and purity, which gives them special spiritual importance. The offerings include many varieties of food, and each item is made in a carefully organized way. One of the most fascinating facts about the Jagannath kitchen is the mysterious stacked pot cooking system. Several clay pots are placed one above another over the fire, and surprisingly, the top pot sometimes cooks first. This has amazed visitors for years and is still seen as one of the wonders of the temple kitchen. The exact science behind it may be discussed, but for devotees, it is also a symbol of divine grace. Another remarkable feature is the size of the operation. The kitchen has been described as one of the largest in the world, with many hearths working at once, and food prepared in huge quantities without losing its traditional character. Yet despite this massive scale, nothing feels industrial. Everything is still treated as sacred service, not just cooking. In the end, the Jagannath temple kitchen stands for much more than food. It represents faith, devotion, discipline, and a living tradition that has survived for centuries. Its Mahaprasad is not only nourishing, but deeply meaningful to millions of devotees. That is why the kitchen of Lord Jagannath continues to inspire awe, respect, and wonder in everyone who learns about it.
Enjoyed this? Like, share, comment, and follow for more amazing videos.